Are double-paned windows worth it? Single panes are, of course, cheaper than double panes, but this doesn't necessarily make them more cost-effective. Understanding why double-pane versions are best is key to making a wise selection. How much of a difference do double-pane windows make? There are many advantages to double-pane windows over single-pane versions. They enhance energy efficiency, decrease noise, boost security, block more UV rays, raise property values. These windows come with a high ROI, return on investment, and are vital to improving a home's ventilation. What is a double-paned window? A double-pane window consists of two panes of glass inside a frame, separated by a small gap. To make the window more energy efficient, the cavity usually contains an air pocket or gas, typically argon, xenon, or krypton. This air pocket keeps the internal air temperature constant by blocking the impact of outside air temperature changes. The advantages of double-paned windows. By absorbing atmospheric moisture and humidity, desiccants in double-pane windows keep them dry and protected against damage, corrosion, mildew, and bacteria. These windows also increase a home's insulating value by encasing air or gas between their panes. No matter how cold it gets outside, you can always stay warm inside thanks to this gas layer, which lowers the heat transmission between the indoor and external temperature zones. In the summer, the gas layer reduces solar heat gain, making your home cooler. The insulated gas layer does much more than improve a home's heating and cooling efficiency. It also dampens sound waves to reduce noise transmission. Windows with wider gaps tend to have the best sound insulation properties. The cons of double-paned windows. When the desiccant in a double-pane window becomes old and stops absorbing moisture, it creates a hazy appearance in the form of a foggy window. This condensation becomes worse when the glass encounters temperatures below the dew point. Even though you can have a window expert change the desiccant, others say it's better to just get a new unit. Are you looking to replace your windows? Replacing windows is a fairly straightforward process. However, it can be quite time-consuming and requires expert knowledge. This is why it's best to let a professional window replacement company handle the installation for you. Experts can remove the old windows, prepare the new openings, install the new units, add insulation, trim and sealant, reinstall stops and apply primer and paint. To schedule double-pane window installation for your home, contact the experts, Raben Glass. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.